Arab National Bank login. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log in or sign in into Arab National Bank. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your web browser on your device. With the help of the address bar at top of the screen, type in Arab National Bank and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on this results section where you'll get variety of links. Simply click on the first link that says ENV Home Individuals, which is the official link or website of ENV. Depending on your internet connection, it'll take a little bit time to load, so wait patiently. Now this will redirect you to the login section of ENV account. After that, you simply need to reject all your cookies and then click on Login button at top right corner of your screen. Now choose whether it's personal banking, business banking, or SME banking. Now you officially land on this portal where you simply need to enter your current user ID and click Submit button and enter your password. In case you forget your username or password, click Forget your username or password link underneath the box and then recover your username and password. In case if you are new to ANB, you simply need to click on Register online and create an account on Arabian National Bank. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.